Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download CryptoHopper application on your iOS device. To download and install CryptoHopper on your iOS, first of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in CryptoHopper. Look for this application from CryptoHopper and then click on the Get button to start downloading the application on your iOS device. Wait for a couple of minutes until the application is downloaded and installed on your device. Once you are done, tap the Open button to open the app, and then that's how you easily download and install CryptoHopper application on your iOS device in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.